Hello everyone, welcome back again. And the first topic for the day is to blink the two LEDs simultaneously using the ESP32 microcontroller. So what we need an ESP32 DevKit V1 microcontroller and two LEDs that will be simultaneously blinking. So how we can connect? That LED pin anode will be connected to GP input to D2 and cathode will be connected to ground. In the same way, LED2 anode will be connected to GPIO D4 and cathode will be the ground. Okay. Now, what will be the diagram? Actually, this will be the flow that this pin, the ground will be connected to the cathode for both the LEDs and D2 will be connected to LED1 and D4 will be connected to LED2. Let me show you how it goes. Okay. So this is basically our ground of microcontroller. So this ground is connected to the cathode of both the LEDs. Okay. And now I'm going to connect the microcontroller with the with this ground pin. Okay, then D2 I will connect, then D1 I will connect. Okay, so okay everyone, so let me explain you how I connected these. Okay, so there's a common ground that is connected to cathode of both of these LEDs, and the D2 is connected to the anode of first one, and D4 is connected to the anode of second one. Okay, from the microcontroller. Okay, now we are going to run the program and we'll see how does the output works. Okay, this is our Arduino IDE on which I'm going to put the program. Okay, so it is showing that no board connected. What I have to do, I have to select the board also. Okay, tools. Let's see, port is available. COM port number 3. Once I will select that, then I have to select the board also. Board is what? ESP32 DEV module. This one I have to connect. Okay, once you will connect it, it will be available over here. Okay, now it's time to upload the program into our microcontroller. How we can do that? So let me copy the program and paste that. Okay, so I'm going to copy the program and paste this program into the Arduino. Okay, here it is. So this is my program. How you can upload that? By clicking over this button. Okay, by forward button, the program will be uploaded in our ESP32. Okay, so currently the program is uploading, so we have to wait for a minute till the program will be uploaded. Once the program will be uploaded, our LEDs will start blinking. So program is uploaded now and it's uploading in the microcontroller. So now LEDs will start blinking. Let me show you the output as well. Okay, so here is our output. Here you can see that both of these LEDs are blinking simultaneously at after a certain instant of time. So dear all, this is how you can create this project, the blinking of two LEDs at the same time. Okay, have a nice day.